In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo to your resume using Canva. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch or just want to stand out to prospective employers, this simple process can help elevate your resume to the next level. So let's get started and walk through this step-by-step guide together. First, we need to start by opening up Canva. Once you're there, go ahead and select the resume you'd like to edit or create a new one if you haven't already. If it's already in your personal designs, just click on it to open and you'll see your workspace ready for editing. This step sets the stage for everything we're going to do from here on out, so ensure you have the right resume loaded up and ready. Next, on the left side of the screen, find the Elements tab and click on it. This tab is like a treasure trove offering various design elements like shapes, graphics and frames, which we'll be using shortly. Take a minute here to familiarize yourself with what's available, as these elements will be the tools we use to mold and shape your design. Once inside the Elements section, search for frames in the search bar. Frames are extremely useful in Canva because they allow you to create placeholders for images, and they come in various shapes including circles, squares, and more complex designs. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be choosing a circular frame to give your resume a sleek and professional look. After finding the frame, select the circular frame option and insert it into your resume. This might require a bit of scrolling, but once you come across it, click to add it to your page. You'll notice it's easily movable and resizable, which is exactly what we want for flexibility in our layout. Now position the frame where you'd like your photo to be on your resume. Adjust its size to fit the design of your resume. If you're not quite sure where to position it, a common choice is to place it near your name or contact information. Make sure it doesn't overshadow the text and enhances the overall layout instead. With the frame in place, navigate over to the Uploads tab. Click on it, and here you can either upload a new photo from your device or select one you've already uploaded. If you have the photo ready, simply drag and drop it into the frame. Once your photo is in the frame, Canva does the magic, automatically cropping and positioning your photo within the frame's boundaries. You can still adjust its positioning if needed by double-clicking on the image and dragging it around. And there you have it, a professional-looking resume with a personalized touch. By following these steps, not only have you added a photo to your resume, but you've done so in a way that enhances its design, making it more visually appealing. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.